Coffee Guy here, reacting to the first album by Carpetman. Some of the songs I've done, but I'm going to do them again. Why? Because I don't care. I want to do what I want. First song, Struggling by Myself, the title track. Here we go.
Don't you know that now I'm feeling low? Don't you know that I can't fight no more? Sure you know that I keep falling down. Sure you know I'm struggling by myself. My feet go, and no one's said about it. I got my feet go, in my weakest moment. I got my feet go, just when I needed your love. I got my feet go, and now I'm struggling by myself. I think I'm better go, but I can't find my phone. Now my willpower's so low. So many times I left, but I can't stay alone. The pain is getting stronger, I'm barely heading on. I'm barely heading on, I'm heading on, oh no. Don't you know that now I'm feeling low? Don't you know that I can't fight no more? Sure you know that I keep falling down. Sure you know I'm struggling by myself. My feet go, and no one's said about it. I got my feet go, in my weakest moment. I got my feet go, just when I needed your love. I got my feet go, and now I'm struggling by myself. Oh, I felt alone, but then you came along. The pain was gone, you fell into my soul. Your spell that held my soul, your voice that healed my soul, babe, and I can't control it. You should know, I fell in love, and now I can go home. Cause now you're gone, you fell into my soul, and you took my soul, and now my heart is broken, I'm feeling broken. I got my feet cold, no one said about it. I got my feet cold, in my weakest moment. I got my feet cold, just when I needed your love. I got my feet cold, and I was struggling by myself. My feet cold, and no one said about it. I got my feet cold, in my weakest moment. I got my feet cold, just when I needed your love. I got my feet cold, and I was struggling by myself. Don't you know that now I'm feeling low? Don't you know that I can't fight no more? Sure you know that I keep falling down. Sure you know I'm struggling by myself.
All right. First song from his first album is a heartbreak. Of course he's struggling. Heartbreaks are not easy, especially when you're young. When you're old, it gets easier just because you don't give up. Anyways, good. I enjoy his music, so I don't need the video to enjoy his music. I I can't sing along ahead of time because I never know what direction he's going to go, but I like his music. How good.